Recent reports revealed that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is following the lead of the iPhone 15 Pro by adopting a titanium build. Apple was the first to apply titanium in smartphones with its latest iPhone 15 Pro models, and the feature was heavily promoted in marketing. The report from the LEC mentions that the frame case of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will transition from the usual aluminum construction to titanium when it launches next year. This titanium alloy is said to be processed by a Chinese company called Solomon. Samsung started exploring the use of titanium approximately 2 years ago and has now made the decision to incorporate it into their smartphones, likely influenced by Apple's successful use of titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro. Despite the higher cost, around 15 million titanium cases are reportedly planned for production. Switching to titanium increases the frame's cost per unit by 4 to 5 times, compared to the current cost of under $20. It's important to note that this change is only mentioned for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and not the S24 or S24 Plus. Furthermore, Samsung may not stop with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The report suggests that, depending on the reception, titanium could be introduced to other Galaxy phones. Foldable phones could be a logical choice, although the added weight of titanium might be a consideration. However, the increased strength of titanium may offset the need for more material, making it a viable option for different form factors. In addition to the titanium frame, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a flat screen instead of a curved one, with a rectangular edge, rather than the previous 45-degree angle. When it comes to performance, the global version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, in contrast to the S24 and S24 Plus, which will have the Exynos 2400 in some regions. Benchmark results have shown a boost in CPU performance, with the Prime core clocked at 3.4 GHz. The device is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM and will run Android 14 out of the box, likely with Samsung's One UI 6.1. This move to a titanium frame and other enhancements in the Galaxy S24 Ultra are generating significant interest, and we'd like to hear your thoughts on this development. Please share your opinions in the comments section below. Also subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.